How's that? Okay. All right, now here we go. Again, we're going to flip it upside down so that the smooth side is up. Come on. Sometimes you have to coax it a little bit. There we go. And I'll do it again with the other loaf. There we go. Gently pull it off. Boom. Now we take water and pull the shelf out. And we'll slash the loaves. Oh. And in they go. And now the brick. Go ahead. All right, so the brick needs a can of cold water. Now gently, carefully slide it in. There we go. Close it up. All right, and now we're going to check and see how they're coming along. Now, starting to rise nicely. So what I'm going to do, just to make sure they brown evenly, turn them 180 degrees and put them back in. And I'm done with the brick. Let them come out now. And close it back up. All right, now let's check and see how they're doing. Been in there for about 10, 12 minutes. Yeah, these are looking pretty good. Now the way you can tell is by, if it looks done on the outside, it's done because the crust actually takes longer to complete than the inside, what's also known as the crumb. So that's looking good. You're getting a nice range of browns on the outside. It's not burned, which is always a good thing. And it's risen nicely. And there we go. There's your batards that you've been working on so diligently.